everyone, welcome to the PyCharm FastAPI tutorial series. In this tutorial, I will do some honorable mentions of reference materials which helped me to prepare this tutorial. Just for your information, this is not any kind of paid promotion for the courses that I'm mentioning. It's a completely personal observation from my end after taking this course. Let's begin. If you are starting up fresh with FastAPI, then I would definitely recommend following the official documentation. It has a complete end-to-end explanation covering tutorial-based steps along with advanced materials. It is quite common that when working with FastAPI, you might end up with some issues. For that, I would say look for the Issues section of the FastAPI repository. Most of the time, the common problems which you are facing might be faced by other people and might even have a solution already present. If you don't find the answer, go ahead and ask the question. Definitely you're going to get help from the FastAPI community, and I would also suggest helping others in the problems the users are facing and that you may have already resolved. In this way, the community grows. It's a great experience working with like-minded people. If you're interested in taking your Python knowledge to the next level, then I would suggest watching video courses provided by Talk Python Training. Michael Kennedy and his team really create amazing courses. They have 2 courses on FastAPI, and if you want to get deeper inside, do check them out. Also, if you work with PyCharm, then definitely you will always have a feeling that I know only 10% of PyCharm. Nothing to worry about because there's a great course, Effective PyCharm 2021 edition. Definitely check this out if you want to take productivity to the next level. Testdriven.io is an amazing website with quality content. There are good quality contents related to Python, Flask, TDD, FastAPI, and also working with task queues like Celery and Django or FastAPI. If you have no knowledge about AWS or planning to take AWS certification in the future, then I would recommend watching courses in Udemy provided by Stefan Marek. Amazing content starting from no cloud experience in AWS to doing advanced level stuff. Interested in working with Kubernetes? Then definitely check out the official Kubernetes documentation with tons of examples. A few people prefer watching videos when they are starting up with a new technology. Mumshad is a Kubernetes expert. His courses of Kubernetes are really amazing, and if you're starting up your Kubernetes journey for the first time, then definitely check out his courses in Udemy or CodeCloud. You have AWS and Kubernetes experience, and now you want to play with EKS, which is the Elastic Kubernetes Service. Then this course provided by Kellyanne Reddy is going to be one of the best. He covers everything related to EKS, starting from the ground level, whether it is horizontal pod autoscaler, cluster autoscaler, external DNs, or setting up logging. I would say that this course, I liked it very much as it covered in-depth knowledge about EKS. Next, I would recommend reading some books like Learning Helm, written by the creator and maintainers of Helm, a great book if you're starting with Helm for the first time. Kubernetes Up and Running by O'Reilly. This is a great book if you are starting up with Kubernetes for the first time. It covers a lot of material. As you can see, Brendan Burns, as one of the contributors in this book, he is the distinguished engineer at Microsoft Azure, working on containers and DevOps, as well as co-founder of Kubernetes. There's one more book where he has contributed, and that is Kubernetes Best Practices. This is a great book if you've already got the taste of working in Kubernetes and you're going to work in the production systems, then do check this out. Finally, the YouTube community, where you're going to find tons of tutorials written by many amazing content creators. Whether it's Python, AWS, or Kubernetes, you will find so much content that it feels like a never-ending loop. I hope you enjoyed watching this video series. Do share and subscribe to the channel. Looking forward to coming up with more amazing content.